Hey guys, Joe Richardson here from Thinkaholics. We're here at Texas Dreamin'. I'm here with Glenn Lehner from Linkpoint 360. So Glenn, what can you tell everybody about what you guys do?
So what Linkpoint 360 provides is email integration for Salesforce. So whether you use Microsoft Outlook or Lotus Notes, we provide the email integration where we'll record emails back into Salesforce or even synchronize your calendars, contacts, and tasks between your email client and Salesforce.
So I know Salesforce has, like email to Salesforce or email to case, and I think that's basically it. And you have to get some add-ons to do like email to lead and things like that. So what is Linkpoint doing in terms of pulling that email in from your email servers?
So the way we differentiate between Salesforce and our product is we provide additional user productivity and help with Salesforce adoption. So we bring a lot more data into Outlook for them to view. So they're using that data day in and day out when they're looking at emails or calendars. But we also have new features which allow them to even edit or add data within Outlook that will go back into Salesforce, such as contacts, leads, opportunities.
Okay. And just jumping back to the question I was asking, because I thought about it, Salesforce has email to case,
Yep.
and that's it,
Yes.
right? So do you guys have email to other objects?
We have, you're able to record emails to pretty much any type of object you want, whether it's a case, an opportunity, even a custom object.
Okay.
So many of our clients might have specific use cases where they'll have a custom object that might be tracking tasks or projects, and they're able to record emails or even events to those custom objects as well.
So when it comes to like creating leads, for example, how easy is it or does it automatically create the lead? Do you click a button? Like, how does it work?
So there's different ways you could create a lead from within Linkpoint. We will immediately notify the user that this lead doesn't exist or this contact does not exist in Salesforce. And rather than making a user key in all the information, we allow them to highlight an email signature, drag it and drop it to one of our icons on our program on the side panel, and we'll pre-populate all the fields for that user for them to verify and then save that record back into Salesforce. So there's no more copying, pasting, or even typing of information.
Yeah, like cut the first name, paste.
Exactly. So in one quick swipe, you could drag and drop that email signature to create any sort of record that you would like.
That's cool. So tell me more about the calendar stuff, because I know a bigger problem when I'm doing projects for customers, getting their calendars in there and not getting a bunch of junk is pretty rough. So
it is. So Linkpoint, we also differentiate in Salesforce for several cases for calendars as well. One is you're able to synchronize the calendars that are more important or business related. Everybody's got appointments in their calendars for birthdays, doctor's appointments, family type items. We don't want to synchronize those to Salesforce. So we have different ways we could prevent that from happening. We also allow organizations to add custom fields to events in Outlook. So to get a calendar event into Salesforce is synchronization. That's the simple part. But now what organizations want to do is track more information about that appointment or that meeting. What type of meeting was it? Was it a demo? Was there a certain type of products discussed in that meeting? You could capture that information within Outlook and synchronize it over to Salesforce. And that's a major benefit of Linkpoint as well.
And so that's just as easy as when you're creating the event, you can define it? That's cool. That's cool.
Not only can you associate it with the records you need in Salesforce, like an opportunity, case, contacts, accounts, leads, you could also associate, populate these additional fields.
So in terms of, I've worked with clients who they have a group of people that have events that someone needs to manage for them. Do you have anything scenarios around that?
So the way that works, if there is I'm going to say a internal person who's managing or creating events for different reps, whether they create that event in Salesforce or in Outlook or a shared calendar, those events will synchronize back to that particular user's calendar. So even though I didn't create the event, an event might appear on my calendar in Outlook with all the information from Salesforce in Outlook for me to know about.
So one specific example I had, which I think is what you're saying, is I was working with a law firm, and they had people scheduling the lawyer's time.
Exactly.
Right, and not only needing to be able to see what's an opening in his calendar, but be able to have that tied to the case and everything going on, right?
Absolutely. It's exactly the use case that I was just kind of described.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So any other features that you'd want to focus on?
The new summer release that's coming out includes what we call the Smart Forms, where it allows you to edit or add new records from Salesforce within Outlook. So whether it's a standard object or a custom object, you're able to edit that information within Microsoft Outlook, so users don't have to flip-flop back and forth to Salesforce. We also have, in addition, email tracking, so we can track when emails are open by users to get statistics and information about that as well.
What about mobile? Do you guys do anything on mobile?
So we also are coming out this summer with what we call our Linkpoint Cloud Connect product, which will allow you to synchronize truly from cloud to cloud between Exchange or Office 365 and Salesforce in the cloud.
Okay.
So no matter what type of mobile device you have, we'll still synchronize your emails, your calendars, without worrying about installing or having a specific type of application on your mobile phone.
Okay. So people want to try this out. What's the best thing for them to do?
So the best thing is go to App Exchange. Typically, we're one of the top ones on App Exchange. Look for Linkpoint 360 or our website, of course, as well. And you just download a trial, and you can immediately test it out for yourself or for your team.
Okay, and that's linkpoint360.com?
Linkpoint360.com.
Okay. All right, Glenn, so thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hey, if you like our videos, please be sure to subscribe and follow us on Twitter.